Hey guys, Brandon with Flyin Miata, and I have exciting news. If you have been patiently waiting for turbo kits, and even if you have been impatiently waiting for turbo kits, they are finally here. So this Friday, November 15th, 10 a.m. Mountain Time, we're going to be dropping a bunch of NA8 and NB turbo kits. Now the NA6 kits we don't have, stay tuned for those guys. This is going to be the biggest drop we've done in a long time, but they're probably still going to sell out, so do not hesitate. Now, these will not be on sale for Black Friday. If you wait until Black Friday, they're gonna be gone. We have changed some things on the website, so if you signed up for notifications, I probably wouldn't trust that. Go back to the website and sign up again. Go to that turbo listing, sign up for notifications. Even if you've done it before, do it again just to be safe and just so that you're certain to be the first to know when we drop those turbo kits. So be sure to check out the website for more details. If you have questions beyond that, reach out to our customer support team and they will get you sorted out. Hopefully you guys will be boosted soon.